Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Bonk family. Appreciate you guys for sticking around and showing tremendous amount of love on a day-to-day basis. The last 48 hours have been amazing for Bonk, and I'm sure if you're part of the community, you guys know about that. But let's really analyze the charts to see what is happening and, of course, what we could be expecting going into a brand new week ahead of us. Looking across the board, we are seeing quite a bit of green as we are going into Monday morning, which, of course, is really nice to see. But you're seeing Bonk see a little bit of a retracement down about 4.8% on the daily time frame. But just a quick reminder, on the weekly time frame, it's up 96.3%, which not a lot of people will understand. But looking at the price, 5033, still 4 zeros in front of the price, down about 4.6% in USD and also 5.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $3.5 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $2.2 billion. And just a quick disclaimer before we get into it. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, starting off by taking a look at the broader meme coin market, it's picking up traction. Dogecoin up 5.6%, which is quite impressive to see. Shiba Inu also up about 4.2%. Going down, you're looking at some coins turning into the green now, and that is, of course, really nice to see. But taking a look at our good old buddy Bonk. Guess what Bonk was able to do? Remember in our previous update, I highlighted that Bonk will take that first spot for the SPL meme coin #1 level, and that actually did end up happening a few hours ago. But as we did see Bonk see a little bit of a retracement, Dog with Hat was able to reclaim back its spot as the top meme coin on on the Solana blockchain. But I think it's coming. I think Bonk is coming for that first spot because remember, it existed longer than Dog with Hat. It has that first mover advantage in a way. I think Bonk is here for its spot again, and I think it's going to happen sooner than a lot of people think. Exactly what we've been projecting for Bonk over the course of the last few updates actually is playing out right now, and I still do believe Bonk reclaims back above the top one spot for the SPL side of things. But looking at obviously Solana, if you did watch my Solana update, I think it's going to come after I've already recorded the Solana update. It should be live in a few hours. But Solana is on the verge of breaking a new all-time high, a historic time coming for Sol. And maybe by the time you guys are watching this update, Solana has already gotten past its all-time high. I'm not sure when those updates are going to go live, but in the next few hours for sure. And that has really brought in a lot of excitement towards Bonk itself. But let's take a look at the Bonk's price. If you're looking at Bitcoin, the price, Bitcoin has made its way back above $90,000, currently approaching $91,000, which of course is really nice to see. Bitcoin could be on the verge of actually hitting a new all-time high this upcoming week. Remember, on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual as CME futures are close, so we need to keep that factor in mind. But now if we're looking at Bonk, guys, Bonk was actually able to reach yet again a new all-time high just a few hours ago at 56.30. If I were to show you guys on the hourly time frame, you could pretty much see how beautiful this chart is looking like. So in terms of the momentum slowing down, not so fast. I still think Bonk breaks out towards a new all-time high. And speaking about a new all-time high, it only needs a push of about 11% for it to touch yet again a new all-time high, which would put the position for Bonk back above, Dog with Hat. Obviously, considering Dog with Hat doesn't move with Bonk. Of course, if Dog with Hat goes up 10% and Bonk goes up 10%, it will remain as the top, first in terms of, Solana meme coin positions. But I do believe, remember, if Bonk is able to break out of this range, it goes into price discovery mode. That's something that you don't want to be forgetting. So obviously, sky's the limit in terms of that. Depends on the volume, obviously supply and demand factors. So, sky's the limit when it comes to that. Are we about to see, Bonk knock out a zero from its price? And if that is to happen, that would be 100% move from the current price levels, and that would put the market cap at about $7 billion. And who are we to say that might not happen? That would be a very close market valuation to the likes of Pepe, just $2 billion below that. So you never know what can happen in this market, guys, especially when more liquidity comes towards Solana. This is going to be very interesting. But with that said, don't forget to lock those profits in. As of now, very hard, obviously, to chart projects that have, hit all-time highs. So, but, it is finding a ground for itself, trading sideways a little bit, which is nice to see. And if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame after breaking out of that major key resistance, it is in this upwards trajectory. So, that is obviously something we need to give it credit where the credit is belong. But so far so good. I'm really liking the setup right now for Bonk, and I do believe the Bonk community is coming for Doggo if had to reclaim back above the top spot. But let me know your thoughts down below as to where you think a Bonk is going to go. Do you think Bonk can actually take over Pepe? That is going to be a major one, but I don't think so. Reason why I don't think so that is because Pepe is listed on Robinhood as well as Coinbase and a lot of other exchanges. But what happens if those exchanges come and list Bonk, right? Those are some things that are up in the air, and this is what makes this fun to kind of see that battle happening, between some of these meme coins. But at the end of the day, these are all meme coins. You need to be locking those profits in when you see those profits on your way up. Don't get greedy, because if you get greedy, you will get wiped out, from the whales. But loving the way Bonk is holding right now. We'll keep you guys updated, of course. Thank you so much for all your support. Cannot thank you guys enough. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.